Sean Severs here with...
What the fuck?
I'm here with Anthony. We're here at his shop. He was stuck at 40 a month for a very long time, and he started to invest in other people that had strengths, which wasn't necessarily his strength, and he was able to focus on, in this case, building the systems for his business.
The marketing is going to work, but to get it to work well and to see a return on it, you've got to make sure that you have the basics covered.
Sean Severs, your storyline marketer. I'm about to walk into the shop. We just finished filming 3 days worth of content for the next 12 months, and we're in Northern Prescott.
Another shop finished the production. We're in California for the first time, Fireball, California, apparently the home of Josh Allen, and we're at a collision shop, our second collision shop of the year.
We're at another shop here, and today's we're at a smog shop here in Hanford, California. Jason owns this. He's been an owner for about 8 years. This business has been around for about 30 years, and I just walked around in this small town and nobody knows who he is, and that's why Jason came out to hire us. We're at a Big O Tires here in Carrollton, Texas. It's actually the first in the metro area, and if you're seeing this and you're a shop owner or you're a franchise owner, then this video is for you. We're here in Louisville, Texas, and Louisville Car Care. This place has been here maybe 35 years, and today what we have done is filmed content in and around his business. And so this is another shop that we've been helping. Again, you've seen this video. We are literally saving small businesses in America, especially when it comes to general maintenance repair shops like this shop here. The staff here is great. We've been capturing the content that really builds the trust with consumers. And so this is what we're gonna do when we come to your shop. When we offer to schedule a demo call, we're gonna be showing you the ads that are performing really well for shops just like this. We are here helping here in Texas, let alone across the United States. If you're a small business and you want to reach that next $1 million, you want to add that next zero to your business, you need to have care that really is clear when people are watching your business and your content, because consumers don't know who to choose when there's 10 shops on this very same street. We're here to help make that very clear.